Hi guys, we are back. Today is the big day for Franz, who is driving, and it's better if I don't disturb him while he's driving. So it's the big day for him because he's getting a tattoo on his calf. And I left my car at the car mechanic, and he gently came and picked me up. And now we are set for adventure with this one. There was a man there was a man running in the street, you didn't see him.
Hi guys!
Hi guys, so we arrived in Nepi, and what you see at my back is Roman aqueducts. Basically they used to bring water to the city, you see down there. I have pink props today. Actually they are supposed to be red, but with the sun they show up like pink. And I have my new motors, Emax motors, and they should give me pretty decent punch around these Roman aqueducts. And I will try to power loop them, but cannot grant anything.
Yeah, so he's changed his props, and now we are gonna fly. It will be good, I'm sure.
You sure?
Yeah,
Fine.
We always can trust Mr. Rimzler.
Thanks, man. So, close the camera.
See you!
Of the
So I did a lot of power loop thingies around those Roman aqueducts. Now it's time for the spark, which you see I have modified to fit with Italian laws. So it's lightweight, and it's 300 grams. So I can fly basically over the streets and cities and whatever I like without having an authorization, which is fantastic.
So I wanted to ask you something. Do you think he's a drone flyer, or he is a street work addicted?
It's not addicted, means like you are on drugs and you cannot stop.
Drug addicted.
Yeah, it's not. I don't know how to put this thing on.
Yeah, so now we are here in Nepi. I went there.
What is written on my back?
Pilota di APR. What does it mean?
Does it show on the screen? It means drone pilot, basically.
Ah, okay.
And now,
All comes with time.
yeah, time and practice, my friend.
Yeah, bro.
Time and practice.
So,
Yeah. So, let's fly. We are about to go to lunch.
yeah, we are
To have
going to
lunch.
a pizzeria, and then I will get my tattoo.
He will get his tattoo on his
Here.
calf. And then I will get my car from the mechanic so I can drive around and not risking to die with this guy. So, bye.
Bye. Vabbè, comunque se stavo in pratica mi ricordo quel giorno che stavo lì a Montalto. Chiude il telefono. Mi passi il telefono, Andrea?
Ti passo subito.
Grande.
Quanto lo vedi lo specchio che fa.
So Franz, are you happy about your beautiful tattoo?
Oh yeah, I'm really happy. It represents me. I couldn't have had a better tattoo.
Yeah, it's a really nice tattoo, I have to say. Cause can you
Here
show them?
Yeah. It's a little complicated, but
You know, wait. You have the
Yeah.
wrap on it. I
Yeah,
have
no,
the
that's-
footage of it.
that's not a problem. That's not a problem. Here it is.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we have to go to the drugstore to buy some.
The drugstore.
Yeah, it's called drugstore.
Yeah, I know, but
Yeah, it's funny.
but not to
Yeah.
buy drugs because I need a cream.
For this tattoo.
Yeah.
So I guess that's it for today, cause they had enough.
Yeah. What?
Like that's it for today.
Yeah, that's it.
That's all, folks.
That's all. See you.
See you. Do you want to close the camera?